The channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. So everybody knows we can easily pin someone as best friend on Snapchat. Just simply tap and hold on that person like this, and simply tap on this first one, pin your number one BFF best friend. So you need to have like Snapchat Plus, of course, but yeah, you can easily create a best friend. And what do we need to see other people's best friend list on Snapchat? Do you have the solution? If you open your profile page in the top left corner, and then we will scroll down at the bottom of the screen. If you go for this my friends, we can easily manage our friends, so we can open their profile, view some information and so on. But as you can see on this page here, there is no option to find his best friends list. It means that Snapchat doesn't provide the opportunity to view it on this page directly. Moreover, you won't be able even to find his friends at all, so you won't be able to interact with this information. But we can easily try to click on this plus add person in the top right corner, and we will be able to find a quick add list. So quick add is a search based like suggestions. For us, we can add these guys, but they are suggested because they are friends of our friends, and sometimes these guys inside of this list could be like best friends from our friends. So it's like the only one way of how to see other people's friend list on Snapchat. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.